Welcome to Ballroom Feed. I'm Lindsay.
I'm Chris, and we're going to do the basic underarm turn, right? And salsa. Leader's footwork for the basic underarm turn to the right is I just do a basic step. What happens is more arm work than footwork. So I do the basic step, which we learned already. I can do a closed basic or a passive basic. It's not going to make a difference. Sometimes more comfortable if I do a passing basic because she'll have some more room to make the turn happen. But what happens is my hand has something to do. So after I go forward and then close my feet, as I take my step backwards on the right foot, I'll pick up my left hand to go lead the turn. I'll bring it back around as I close, and that's it. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow.
Okay, followers footwork for the first ladies underarm turn right.
Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountain.
So, footwork, we do half a forward and back basic. Right, left, together. Forward, rotate, close, and end. I go back basic, then I go forward, rotate, together. And if I'm passing footwork, I'm gonna go back, replace, forward, back. With the timing, I'm gonna go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. With the passing footwork, I'm gonna go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow.
With the counts, it'll be quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Awesome. So the key points. So as I lead this pattern, we do a half a basic as normal. As I step backwards, my hand is going to lift up, and my goal is to put it just over her head. My hand opens up really, really light. She steps forward at me, makes her turn happen. Both close our feet, and go back into basic again together. So half a basic first. I step back out of the way. My hand comes up and more towards the center of her head, her turning point. I open my hand up because I don't want to crank her hand around, and she'll do the turn all by herself. I just have to guide her. I'll meet her back at the end again. If I did passing forward, the same thing's going to happen.
So key point for the ladies is something that we like to call spotting. So basically today I'm going to call it finding your partner. So basically I'm going to find him as soon as I can, just keep my balance. So I go and I find him as soon as I can. So my head is going to be the last to leave and the first to arrive. All right? And that holds true for most turns in salsa. Oh, and what he was saying about gentlemen releasing the hand, if he tries to hold on and keep that firm grasp while we're turning, it's going to be really uncomfortable. We're going to end up in this really contorted position. So he's going to release. Ladies, you're also responsible for keeping contact, and we're not going to grab onto his hand for dear life either. So doing that again, watch the hands. We release. He still has a nice hold right here. He's not grasping on, and I'm not relying on him for my full balance.
I can make a small circle over the head, but it's just to guide her. It's not to do the turn forward.
Exactly. We're responsible for our own stuff.
Thanks for watching. I'm Chris.
And I'm Lindsay. Be sure to stay tuned for lots more club content for you that includes salsa, bachata, merengue. If you want to go to the club, we've got you covered. So check those out and stay tuned for much more very soon. Like if you liked it, and pretty simple, right? And then comment below what you liked, what you didn't maybe, and what we can improve, what you want to see next, all the good stuff. We'll see you very soon. We have a new section on our website called Ballroom Feed Pro. So go check it out. There's going to be tons of more stuff. It's called our club section if you're looking for more salsa videos, bachata videos, merengue, that style. Or you can check out what else we got on there because it's never going to end. So be sure to check that out and see you very soon.